Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Thursday, August 6th. What do we see here? In the Russell, a market stopping to catch its breath. It did trade below that sell level. Dollar difference here, that buy to sell level. Just to give you a reference of what that is, that's $3,200 a contract. So what are we looking for? Well, is this profit taking or is this a change in market directions? To be determined, I'm looking for a sideways move to only slightly lower in this market. Let's move on and let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. It is firming up. Is it sustainable? Well, debatable, because the fundamentals to drive the US dollars to get stronger, which would be weaker Aussie dollars, I don't see that at the moment. But if the Middle East does get nasty again, look for this to back off. But right now, buyers are here in that market. The 10-year notes, how about that? It breaks below its sell level. Dollar difference in that market is $652.25. And what do we look for here? I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. But check out what we're seeing in silver. We see the yields back off, which is what we just saw. We're seeing precious metals moving up, and that's what we're seeing here in silver. Further movement up. Ooh, these are tough levels for this market, but that's the possibility, and that's what we're looking for in Mr. Silver. When we think about what's happening with nat gas, we have a lot of it, and we have it at really cheap prices. But so far, we just haven't seen any evidence that buyers are trying to take advantage of these lower prices. And until we do, we're looking for continued downward pressure, but I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. When I think about beans, we also have some fundamental issues here, and we have some things that are positive in terms of this time of year and subsoil moisture for our friend Mr. Bean. So right now, we're looking for continued downward pressure to sideways movement in that market. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Looking forward to being with you again. As always, take care.